Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Macbook password. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The most basic and effective way to protect your personal data is to have a Macbook lock screen password to greet you every time you wake your Mac. This password should ideally be unique, not used as your Apple ID or any other apps, and keep it to yourself. It's also good to know how to change password on Mac so you can keep your Mac login fresh and impenetrable. After all, password gets stolen online all the time, and if you've used it somewhere else before, it might no longer be secure. So in this video, I will show you how to change password on your MacBook. So first of all, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook, and you can go to users and group, click on here, and in here you can change password. Before that, you can unlock this to make a change. You can enter your old password. Now you can click on change password. In here you can enter your old password, and you can enter the new password. You can verify, enter the new password. You can add hint like this. So after we finish, you can just click on change password. It's very simple, right? And don't forget to lock this. So that is how to change MacBook password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.